In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initiatives in Jira. This process is quite straightforward, but it's essential for organizing larger bodies of work within the Jira platform. Initiatives serve as an umbrella for multiple tasks, allowing teams to align their work towards a common goal more effectively. Let's dive in and get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Atlassian website, which is the home for software collaboration tools like Jira. Open your preferred web browser and type in that familiar URL. Once you've arrived on their homepage, look for the Sign In button. This should be prominently displayed, usually in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Be sure to have these details handy, as accessing your Jira workspace requires authorization. After logging in, you'll want to head over to your Jira home. This is where you'll see an overview of all your available projects. If you are managing multiple projects, carefully select the one where you'd like to add initiatives. Once you have clicked on the desired project, your project dashboard will load, showing various settings and existing work elements. Here's a quick tip for easy navigation. Look for the three-dot icon on your project interface. It's often referred to as the More Options icon, and it holds a variety of settings and tools. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a selection of options previously hidden from the main interface, including your project settings. Next, click on Project Settings. This is a crucial step because it allows you to customize how work is structured and viewed within your project. From this area, you can control different aspects, such as permissions, roles, and, of course, work types. In Project Settings, you want to find and click on Add Work Types. Think of work types as categories that shape how you visualize and manage work. Initiatives are a type of work item that can be added here. They act as containers for strategic objectives and give your team clarity on how their tasks contribute to broader goals. Finally, it's time to add initiatives. You'll be prompted to input specifics like name and description or any other fields your organization has configured. This gives you an opportunity to explain what the initiative involves and its importance. After filling these details, ensure you confirm and save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added an initiative to your Jira project. Initiatives are powerful for tracking larger objectives, ensuring everyone is aligned and maintaining a clear structure across your projects. Be sure to revise and update initiatives regularly to reflect any strategic changes in your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing with Jira.